Hi, my name is Joe Turo. I'm a professor of communication at the Annenberg School for Communication, University of Pennsylvania.
I'm Daniel Kreis. I study political communication in the School of Journalism and Mass Communication at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. On May 31st, we're bringing together the best scholars and practitioners and journalists to consider the growing use of data in all aspects of political campaigning.
The question that Dan and I began to ask is, how do we make sense of it and where it's going? And what this conference is about is uniquely trying to see it from three different angles. The key people who operated on the campaigns for Obama, for Romney, together with the journalists who covered them, and then the scholars who are trying to make sense of what they're doing. And we're all going to mix it up and talk in ways that will maybe reflect months later on what happened and what's going to happen.
We have a couple of key questions for the conference. The first is to talk a little bit more about how voter modeling and voter data developed.
Personalized targeting is a new area of marketing activity. It started in the consumer marketing business and has moved over to political marketing in a big way. What we want to understand in this panel is, where is it going with the political people? Is real-time bidding and other kinds of programmatic buying taking off with all sorts of political candidates, or just at the very top level, presidential and maybe senatorial candidates?
And we want to do so in order to ask a broader question about whether there might be a need for regulation, whether that's self-regulation within the industry or among the Federal Elections Commission, to consider that these sorts of data mining practices might have harmful democratic consequences.
That is a really critical question. And we have people at the panel who take both sides. Some people believe that data mining cannot be political speech because it's really part of marketing, part of numbers that are created for particular marketing purposes. Other people say no. It's all part of the whole fabric of what it means to talk politics today. And so, in fact, data mining is political speech.